About 6 months ago, Flutter made an announcement, that Flutter coming to desktop. And I'm going to be honest with you, I've never tried it because if I ever need to make a desktop apps, I will just use either C Sharp in Visual Studio or use Python because that's for me that's easier and quicker for me at least. So today I want to see like can my, can like the code that I've written few months ago run on Windows desktop, and do I need to fix something like I add some boundaries like margin, padding, like is it relative to the screen size, or I just want to see. That's all I'm saying. So let's see. Okay, so you need to install this, which obviously I've already do this, so guess I'm good to go. Oh yeah, by the way, if you want to try this, you should follow this setup. Okay, let me open my code first. Let's see. Okay, the server is up and running. Let's open the Flutter code. So a little bit of explanation, I think. So this project is used for research once about diabetes prediction using Gaussian knife base, which exists in machine learning. So basically, I built an API that can run the what I call the machine learning, the model like this. This is the model like this. Okay, and I'm going to be honest, I hate this. I don't know, writing API in Python is kind of a pain in the ass. Like the JSONify is, yeah, it's not like when you're exporting from a PHP or maybe from any kind of API in different language other than Python, because I don't know, for some reason if you build using Flask like this, the JSON is not really a JSON. Like they add some stuff which maybe it's necessary, but for me it's not really. So it just add a lot of pain, that especially when you connect it to the Flutter, it's just a pain. Like I'm not saying like you're getting like, let's say, a profile. This is just one object, right? Whoever is logged in, then the API will return the profile. But when you have a collection, let's say like this, This is, yeah, this is returning a collection, and it's a pain to make a model, a Flutter model, because I've tried different ways and it just doesn't work. So in the end, I think I was using like a library, like a JSON table something. Yeah, this one, JSON table. Okay, it's, yeah, it doesn't look good, but it gets the job done. So you know, it is what it is. Anyway, let's see if I can run this on the Windows. Okay, start. How long will it take to run? Mm. Oh wow, it's quicker than the if I run this in Android emulator. Okay, let's see. Oh, I have to click the button. Oh, okay. So the API, I don't think there's, okay, there's no request coming in, so that means I have to run the code, but it looks pretty good. Like, I don't need to resize or change the padding. Oh, there's an error. Okay. Timeout. Oh yeah, I forgot. I only put case web. Okay, let's just let it. Yeah, let just. But this looks good though. So I don't need to resize. I can just release my app in desktop. Okay, and it takes about 2 minutes to run. Like if I run this code in Android emulator, it would take me like 5 minutes if I'm not recording, that is. If I'm recording, it would take like 15 minutes. It's, I think one of the reason is because I have a potato PC, but also the desktop is running way quicker. Okay, so yeah, maybe later I will explain to you like the making apps in desktop using Flutter. I think it would be fun. So yeah, thanks for watching this nonsense, and hope you have a great day. Bye.